And welcome back to my channel, Chef Edward Cooking, and I'm here to show you how to make bananas Foster, or also known as rum bananas. So what you will need is, I have 3 bananas, cut up and peeled. I have 3 tablespoons of butter. I have a half a cup of brown sugar, and also I have 2 ounces of white rum. It doesn't have to be white rum, it could be just a regular rum, it's fine. So let's start cooking. Okay, I have a pan on. Gonna add the heat, it's gonna medium. Going to melt the butter. Going to add the brown sugar. So we're pretty much going to like caramelize the sugar with the butter before we even add our bananas. So we're going to stir it, incorporate it together. Let it mix nicely. This is a simple recipe. Okay, we are almost there. So what we are looking for is the brown sugar granules to be melted down. So we're almost looking like a caramel sauce. Okay, so we have it to this point. We are going to add our bananas. We're going to mix them. Now next is going to be the fun part. So what you're looking to do is to bring the pan off the flame before you add the rum. Then you want to add the rum. I'll bring it back onto the flame. And then, there you go. Now I'm just fully incorporating everything together. Okay, so once you see it comes to like a syrup onto it, now it's time to take your bananas off. Okay, we have our rum bananas right here, right? Also, I have banana bread with a chocolate ganache on it. You could see how I made the banana bread and also the chocolate ganache from a previous video. Now, I like to add the rum bananas to the top. Like so. And I like to drizzle some of the additional juice of the rum bananas on it as well. You could add additional bananas if you like on the side. Also, I have some whipped cream, freshly made whipped cream too. You could check out another video I made on how to make the whipped cream. And there we go. We have our rum bananas with our banana bread with a chocolate ganache with whipped cream. Okay, we have our rum bananas right here. So let's dig in. That's really good. If you'd like to see more food recipes like these, please like and subscribe. And thank you for watching. Now it's your turn. Thank you.